Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have a pair of shoes that I just unpacked. Nike Dunk Low Retro. As you can see, these are the Gorge Green White. These are like the Miami Hurricanes type of dunk that they released a while back. They did this one in an Arizona State one, which was like a maroon and yellow. This one's orange and green. Was really excited about these. Had them packed up when I was here. Just never really got around to opening them up, I guess. So I was actually going to wear these out tonight, so I wanted to do a video before I do that. So opening up the box, we get the paper, and then we get these shoes, which the colors on these are crazy. Taking a look, you can definitely see how they got the inspiration from the Miami Hurricanes. Definitely similar to like the Miami Hurricanes Ultra Boost, just this one has a lot more orange to it, which I really like. We get that green paneling running all the way out. And then your toe box here is going to be orange, side panel, and then the back here is going to be orange. We even get the orange Nike stitching right here. And overall, I mean, it's just a really clean color block dunk. A lot of dunks go usually like that panda style, which you flip the white into a different color, so you always get something different. But this one I thought was really cool because it's green and orange, and I really just like the colorway on it. Also here is going to be green as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to these. It's a really nice dunk. The quality on these is decent. Like the leather isn't that great. I don't know if you can really tell. The stitching kind of has some pieces that kind of fray out, but it is what it is. Here's the other one, exactly the same. There's no difference in the two. But definitely when they released these with the Arizona State colorway, I definitely wanted these. They sold out really quickly on regular foot shops. But then when Nike got these, they were readily available for a few weeks. So it was a pretty easy cop. But yeah, hopefully Nike keeps pushing out some more dunks. I really like what they're doing with all that kind of stuff. Really enjoy these, so I'm gonna wear these out tonight. Was really happy to unpack them today when I was finishing up, and I saw these and I was like, okay, these are the ones I'm gonna wear. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time.